Hi, to recover recently deleted photos on iPhone 16e, all you have to do is to find your Photos app and open it. Now, you need to start scrolling down like that till you will see category Utilities, and in here you'll find recently deleted. So if you got PIN code or password on the phone or Face ID, then you need to enter it or scan your Face ID. And let's do it. So as I said before, click View Album, scan your Face ID, and now you will be able to view all of your recently deleted photos. So you can either recover them or permanently delete. And photos and videos show the remaining before deletion. And after that time, items will be permanently deleted. This may take up to 40 days. So to recover any photo, click this Select button. You can swipe right or left to highlight more than one photo, or you can manually tap on photos like that. And you should see this blue check mark on the photos you selected. Here we'll see that 4 items selected. Click on 3 dots and choose this option Recover. Now click it again, go back, and you should see it in your album. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.